Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download AppSheet Advanced Actions for Approvals detailed guide step by step clearly. To download AppSheet Advanced Actions for Approvals, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the AppSheet website and log in to your account. Once logged in, find your application dashboard. Select the application where you want to implement advanced actions. In the left-hand menu, click on Behavior to access the relevant settings. Look for the option labeled Actions and click on it. Here, you will see a list of existing actions for your application. To create a new advanced action, click on the plus New Action button. In the Action settings, choose the type of action you want to create. Label your action clearly, using a name that reflects its purpose. Next, set the action's target as data to ensure it can manipulate data entries. Then, specify the data table you wish the action to interact with. Select the appropriate advanced action type, such as Approve or Reject. Define the conditions under which this action is executed. You may also want to add a confirmation message for users when the action is triggered. After configuring the settings, click Save to store your new action. To test this action, navigate back to your app's view where it will be used. Trigger the action in the app to verify that it operates correctly. If everything works smoothly, your advanced action for approvals is now ready to use. Consider applying similar steps for any additional actions you wish to implement. Regularly review and update actions as necessary to maintain functionality. This process will enhance user experience with efficient approval workflows. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.